Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is another collab with Mama Friendly. This collab though is going to be holiday cookie edition. I'm excited. I got all kinds of stuff here to make cookie wise. I am gonna make sugar cookies from scratch, so that we are doing, and then we are also gonna make peanut butter and chocolate chip cookies. But on those, we're cheating and not making from scratch all the way. I just know my husband likes sugar cookies. I am gonna make from scratch. And then just to make them festive for Christmas, we're going to dip them in chocolate melt and add sprinkles. Just to change it up from just being regular cookies, peanut butter, and chocolate chip cookies. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and make cookies. And since this collab is going to be a playlist collab, I will have it in the description box so you can go and check out everyone that's participating, and maybe you'll get ideas on what to make for Christmas this year. So let's go ahead and get started.
Mama.
Yeah? Yeah, you did a good job. Sprinkle a little more.
Yeah.
Take some and pinch it. Sprinkle, sprinkle, sprinkle. Sprinkle.
Mom.
Do this one. Do that one. Sprinkle, sprinkle, sprinkle. I can't get it to melt, and it stinks so bad. I hate this vanilla stuff. So I don't have any more, and I'm not going to the store, so I'm gonna throw this away before I throw up, and we're gonna use Nutella. You okay?
Yeah.
All right. on your hand. Uh-oh. Put it down. Put it down.
Want to lick that off? Yeah. Not me on your finger. You lick that off.
You just did it, silly.
I mean,
okay.
like the cookie ate.
Well,
Not
her hands are clean. I just washed her hands.
I didn't put one.
That's all right. Yeah, and then you do this one.
Okay.
You use no. You use red. Let's pick up some red and sprinkle it on there. Remember? Okay, sprinkle it on there. Good job. Make sure you move all around. Okay, get some more. Okay, and sprinkle it all around. Move around like that. So you go, ooh. Good job. Get some more. That is my cookie recipe. I didn't actually get around to making the peanut butter ones. I'm gonna do those at a later time just because after making all the sugar cookies and chocolate chip cookies, that is a lot of cookies. And being that I really don't eat sweets and cookies like that, that's a lot that my family already has to eat. So anyways, I just wanted to say a big thank you to Desiree with Mama Friendly for doing this holiday collab. I had so much fun, even with my chocolate melt, the white chocolate melt not melting right. This happened to me before when I made chocolate covered strawberries and I tried to use the white chocolate melt. I'm not sure what it is. The chocolate never does that to me. I literally microwave for 30 seconds and it melts like it's supposed to. For some reason, both times, I cannot get the white to melt properly or right. Let me know, do y'all have problem with the white? Like, what is going on? And also, I always remember now why I do not do the white, and it's not even because, like, I mean, I could do it, but the smell of it alone just makes me want to vomit. I remember that from last time when I tried to do it. I am out of focus, so I'm very sorry. And I forgot what I was saying, and so anyways, I'm glad I had Nutella to save the day because I was not gonna pack up the kids and go to the store for one item. But I'm definitely gonna maybe possibly try some because why do all this baking and not try some myself? But I know I'm not gonna eat a lot if it's gonna just be like one bite or just one cookie, I don't know. But anyways, thanks again, Desiree. I love doing these collabs and can't wait for more. But yes, thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.